They've declared a state of emergency. You've got ice, sleet, snow, freezing rain expected across both of those states. Atlanta has already canceled classes for several school districts today.
The relentless, record-breaking cold and snow causing big problems there. In Tennessee, tens of thousands of residents are without power in 6 counties. The state has reported dozens of weather-related deaths in the past week.
In North Carolina, snow and icy roads caused problems for commuters. Part of Interstate 85 in Rowan County. Look at that, closed after that pickup truck overturned. Several other vehicles crashed nearby. Officials say the driver of that pickup was not injured.
So how long before things return to relative normal for the southeast? Let's bring in meteorologist Pedram Jabahari for an early look at the forecast.
John and Christine, good morning to you. Yes, it's going to be one of those days, especially around central and northern Texas, yet again. Sort of a slushy accumulation there. It's 1 to 2 inches generally around Dallas Metro. Hundreds of flights impacted earlier in the week, and the temperatures should warm up into the 40s. So I don't foresee much sticking around by the evening hours, but still enough falling during the morning commute to cause some issues around Dallas Metro. And points eastward, really about 45 or so million people going to be impacted by wintry weather. Winter storm warnings in place. You don't see this every single day in places like Birmingham, Tupelo, or Atlanta, but Wednesday will be one of those days where we know snow accumulation is going to be a probability, and also some wintry weather pushing into areas of, say, central Iowa. But here we go to the south. We've got all the ingredients in place. Southern storm system tracking across the Gulf of Mexico. Plenty of moisture there. Plenty of cold air to the north. So this narrow band right here, that's again the area where we have the 40 or so million people. That's the area we're concerned about for snow beginning into the late morning and early afternoon hours. By the overnight hours, it should begin to taper off. The end result will be, again, a few inches left in place, generally speaking, around Atlanta, 2 to 3, while northern areas of, say, North Carolina could see far greater amounts, around 8 to 10 inches. Okay?
All right, Pedram.